Hello, today we will guide you through how to add payment method in Whop. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. This is the main starting point where you can access your account and navigate to the settings you need. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log in first so the account menu and billing options are available. Once you are on the home page, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This opens the account menu where you can find personal options related to your profile, preferences, and billing details. If you do not immediately see the menu, give the page a moment to fully load and then try again. From the account menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage important account options. Settings is where Whop organizes your personal account information, so this is the right place to go when you want to update anything related to payments or account management. After that, look for the Payment Method section and click on it. This opens the page where your Save Payment options are managed. If you've already added a payment method before, you may see it listed here. If not, the page will simply show the option to add one. Next, click on Add Payment Method. This starts the process of entering your new payment details. At this stage, Whop will usually guide you to a secure form where you can provide the information needed for your card or other supported payment option. Make sure you enter everything carefully so there are no errors when the payment method is saved. From here, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on the type of payment method you are adding, but the process is generally straightforward. You may be asked to enter billing details, confirm information, or complete a verification step before the payment method is added successfully. As a helpful tip, double-check your details before submitting, especially things like card numbers, expiration dates, or billing information. Using accurate information helps avoid failed payments later. Once everything is confirmed, your new payment method should be available for future purchases or subscriptions on your Whop account. That's it. You've now gone through the full process of adding a payment method in Whop.